How to get Quotex promo code 2024. Let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, head over to any of your preferred browser. Let me move into Safari for now. Once you're in this page, in the source bar, search for Quotex promo code. It will be landing you on this page. You can see tons of different sites. Move into any of the sites that you want to. Let me move into this one. Click on it. It will be landing you on this official page of coupon code. You will be able to see tons of different offers, bonus, and discounts. Scroll down and you'll get to see more. Choose the specific offer that you want to. All you want to do is tap on Get Promo Code. There you can see the promo code is visible to you now. All you want to do is copy this promo code. Once you have copied, now what you want to do is head over to your application Quotex and then enter this promo code. If the promo code is valid, then you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can get Quotex promo code 2024. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.